Hi everyone, this is Amy with The Best of Life, and today I have my better half, Ava, with us. She is a YouTube heavy user, I will say, by looking at her data report. So she was happy to join us today to share an unboxing video. We received a box of the family pack of items from Perdue Farms, and so wanted to do an unboxing and show you what is all inside. All right, so first it arrived outside and it had dry ice in it, so it was all packaged so it could sustain itself while I was at work and driving kids around.
Has very
Yep, so this folds up nice and padded to keep everything secure. Okay, what's on the top there?
We've got
just a receipt, kind of outlining everything that's in the box.
now we've got a bunch of paper.
Packing paper. All right.
Ooh, we've got some dinosaur chicken nuggets.
Those will go fast, made with 100% all natural chicken and no preservatives and no fillers, which that's always a good thing for me. And this is always nice to see. I know a lot of families pay attention to this far more now than they ever did. I know we do as a family. But our chickens are raised with no antibiotics ever, no animal byproducts, all vegetarian diet and cage free in the USA. No hormones or steroids added. All right, perfect. What's next in the box?
Some chicken breast.
Very good. So nice tenderloins. How many are in the back?
They are 4 to 5.
Okay, so there's 4 to 5 individually wrapped pouches, and there's 15 to 20 tenderloins per box. So that's really nice. I love to make a lot of crock pot recipes, so I am sure something tasty is coming up next week with that. Oh, one of my favorites is next.
Bacon.
What's the brand on this one?
Coleman Natural.
I'm gonna show them. So one of the things that we didn't know was that there were so many brands under the Perdue Farms umbrella. So Coleman, when I've been at the store, I didn't know that that was them, and it's really cool to know that, the Perdue Farms has so many brands under its family umbrella. So this is uncured bacon, no nitrates or nitrates added, and again, pork raised with no antibiotics, no hormones, no animal byproducts, all vegetarian feed, and made with all natural ingredients. Perfect.
We've got pork.
All right. We have uncured bacon wrapped. Again, bacon is a great thing in our house, with rosemary, pork loin chops. So in each of these little packages is 2 pork loin chops, perfect for our family. Again, no antibiotics, no added hormones, all vegetarian. These are gluten-free and there's no sugar added as well, which is great. And the last one.
We've got some all-natural pork breakfast sausage.
Very cool. And does that have any flavors, or is it just all natural?
It's all natural.
Perfect.
And no antibiotics or additives.
That is very good. Okay, and in this package, this is actually Neiman Ranch, raised by U.S. family farmers committed to sustainable and humane practices, which is very good. So this will be great. I love, both the kids are swimmers. They train a lot, 6 days a week, and so especially our son, he eats a lot. So, and they both eat a lot of protein. So tossing this in the pan and just boiling it up in the morning or for an afternoon snack even is super common in our house. So this will definitely be great. So the family pack from Perdue Farms had, just to wrap it up, had Coleman natural bacon. We had the pork breakfast sausage from Neiman Ranch. This one is the Perdue chicken breast tenderloins. then we have Neiman Ranch uncured bacon wrapped.
We've got 2 of those.
Pork loin chops. And family favorite, the Perdue panko breaded dino nuggets. So there you go, there you have it. Flip this back up, easy as that. We're gonna pop those in the freezer and I'll be making something for dinner next week. Thank you for watching and for joining us. We'll see you soon.
Bye.